Are you looking at buying a sporty family sedan? Look no more, I've got one right here, 2020 Charger. Why are you asking me to buy a 2020 Charger in winter? This is all-wheel drive. You got all the power to all four wheels, perfect for the winter weather. Check out the front of the car. All sporty, blacked out front grille, nice LED front headlamps, look perfect for these winter nights. It comes with these nice premium looking 5-spoke alloy wheels, which have been wrapped around in these nice all-season tires. Great for these wintry conditions right now here in the UK. All the exterior of the car is all blacked out, so you can see no chrome on this car. Looks brilliant, all blacked out. Again, here at the back, all blacked out with your nice LED tail lamps at the back, which is your typical Charger style right here. Twin exit exhaust as well. You can see here you got your 4 badge that shows your all-wheel drive, perfect for your winter driving. Didn't I say family sedan? Look at the trunk space, huge, plenty of space for anything you want to bring with you. Looking here on the interior, quick look at the interior. There's a steering wheel. You can see behind that is your paddle shifters, so you can do up and down either side of the steering wheel. So for all you petrol heads out there, not only does it have the paddle shifters, it's also got the performance package here. So you can see all these pages here. You got your engine, your dyno, your G-force, all these different gauges, timers and everything for the track. Not only that, performance control, you've got all your options here. You've got launch control, you've got your driver mode set up, everything is all housed in here. You can also check out your 0 to 60 times all on the performance pages. If you want to show off to all your friends, we got you covered. Press this button here when you've got your memory card stored in, shows up all your information of what you've done on track. Not only does it cover all of your performance packages, but it also does all your luxury options like your Apple CarPlay, Android, all in this 8.4-inch Uconnect 4 screen. Just to help you out a bit more, comes with a backup camera as well, help you reverse, you can move your steering wheel, move the line, show you where your car will end up. So that was the 2020 Charger here at the Lakenheath Commissary. There's plenty more Chargers out there. If you want to get yourself maybe the SRT, the V8s, 6.5 grand off right now. Come up to the Commissary, talk to myself, Ethan, or my dad, we'll get you on ordered.